Hey guys, it is Kiwi, and I was thinking a lot, and I think that I'm gonna start making moto vlog things on my dirt bikes. And well, I'm just gonna talk to y'all about well, why I haven't been uploading a lot, and how I got all these beautiful toys and all my dirt bikes and everything. So, starting off, I got this bike. My dad got it for me and my little brother from his job site. And it was a pretty fun little knick-knack for us to have. I ride it every once in a while, like right now in this video. But anyways, all of these four-wheelers have all been gifted to me and my family. This red truck right here, you'll see more upcoming videos about it soon. Me and my dad are going to be working on it. We're going to be making more videos. Yeah. There will be a lot more off-road moto videos coming out soon. I just don't really have much time to record. I just got back from vacation, and if y'all really want to keep seeing, just like and subscribe. But really, I'll give you some backstory about this bike that I'm riding right now. It is a 2022 Yamaha TTR 50. We got it brand new, and it runs amazing. It's really good on fuel, so if y'all ever would want this bike, get it, because you'll only have to refuel the tank like maybe once every 2 days. But if you ride it constantly, every hour of the day, you'll have to refuel it at the end of the day, because, you know, you're going fast and stuff, and, well, I don't know. Like I said, this is my first video that I've made, without it being an edit or a YouTube short. Oh gosh dang. Yeah. And, my condolences to, Dick Frey. I hope you get better. Anyways. Yeah, so, now our new topic is gonna be about safety on a dirt bike. I know that, all of y'all kids and stuff wanna ride dirt bikes all the time, and I've been asking y'all's moms and dads dirt bikes all the time. And yes, they are really fun little machines. They're really, really fun. You can do a lot of things on them. Drive, maybe whenever it snows in your area, or you can drive them in your neighborhood. But mainly, I like them because it's a good way to get my mind off of everything, and yeah, it's just a good way to get my mind off of everything and focus on new tricks and stuff. Like, I've been learning to wheelie on this thing, and in the next video I'll be riding my other bike, which is a Coleman Predator 212. And the motor, yes, is a Predator 212, like I said in the name, but it is a Coleman mini bike. It's not like this bike at all. It's pretty big, actually. I don't really know how to explain how fun that thing is, but it's really fun. It's good for pow-pows, which are wheelies. Yeah, it can do wheelies and burnouts and all that fun stuff. The one thing that I really wish that this bike had that I'm riding is it had a clutch, because I like having clutches sometimes. But this one is a 50cc, so it's an automatic clutch. anyways, this bike, it maxes out about, I don't know, like, probably 39, but that's like 90 to 60 pounds. But if you're a heavier guy like me, these things will only get about 20, 25, but that's still fine whenever you got a little block. Yeah. Here in a minute, now that I'm done about all this talking and stuff, I'm gonna send this thing around. I'm gonna go really fast, but remember, guys, you gotta have your gear on. Always have your gear on. Always don't ride like me whenever I'm riding with shorts. Ride with gear. Just be safe. Alright. Alright, let's go. I love doing on this little bike is little wheelies on this little hill. Oh, that's so fun. But another fun thing that y'all should do to learn to balance a lot more is find a little hill and go in first gear. Go in first gear, just like this. I just do it just for fun, but let's just do this real quick. Oh yeah. Anyways, that's everything that I'm gonna go through today. I'll try to upload as much as I can. Anyways, this is Kiwi out.